Looking for a powerful yet portable miter saw? In this video, we break down the best compact miter saws that deliver precision, versatility, and ease of use, perfect for tight workspaces and job site mobility. Let's find the right one for you. Let's take a look at one of the best compact miter saws out there, the Bosch CM8S. This 8.5-inch single bevel sliding compound miter saw delivers the same 12.25-inch crosscut capacity as many 10-inch model, but in a package that's 30% lighter. Bosch designed it with portability in mind, adding a top carry handle and keeping the weight down to just 37 pounds. It also features a bevel lock lever and turret stops on the side, so you don't have to reach behind the saw to make adjustments. The integrated base extensions expand up to 29 inches, giving you extra material support when needed. Its detent system ensures quick, precise cuts, and the clear lower guard provides an unobstructed view of the blade in action. If you're looking for a miter saw that combines power, accuracy, and portability, the CM8S is a solid choice. Expect to find it priced around $450. Stepping into the compact miter saw category, we tested the METABO HPT 36-volt MULTIVOLT Pro sliding miter saw. From precise furniture cuts to trim work, this saw delivers high accuracy and smooth performance. The 7.25-inch blade, driven by a dual belt system, runs at 4,000 RPM, offering clean, vibration-free cuts. Despite its compact size, it handles crosscuts up to 12 to 13/64 inches with ease. One of the standout features is the ultra-quiet motor, operating at noise levels up to 10 decibels lower than competing model. The 36-volt multi-volt battery powers up to 230 crosscuts per charge, making it a solid option for mobile professionals. It's also incredibly lightweight at just 34 pounds, so moving it from shop to job site is no hassle. With dual bevel capability and an integrated laser guide, this saw is dialed in for precision. If portability and power are what you need, this one's a top contender. Milwaukee's M18 Fuel 7 and 1/4-inch dual bevel sliding compound miter saw is one of the lightest and most portable options in its class. Weighing just 28 pounds with the battery, it's designed for job site efficiency without sacrificing performance. Powered by Milwaukee's Power State brushless motor, this saw delivers over 600 cuts per charge when paired with an M18 Red Lithium Xi 5.0 battery. That's an impressive runtime for a cordless miter saw. The dual bevel functionality means you can make compound cuts without flipping the workpiece, and the sliding mechanism allows for a max horizontal cut capacity of 2x8 at 90 degrees. Accuracy is another strong point, thanks to Milwaukee's LED shadow cut line indicator. Whether you're tackling trim work, framing, or general woodworking, this saw offers corded level performance in a lightweight, battery-powered package. Expect to pay just under $400 for this highly capable job site tool. For a lightweight yet powerful sliding miter saw, the METABO HPT C8FSHESM is a solid choice. At just 36.8 pounds, it's easy to move around, but don't let the weight fool you. The 9.5 amp motor spins the blade at 5,500 RPM, making quick work of trim, framing, and precision cuts. The laser marker system ensures accuracy, while the adjustable LED work light keeps your cutting area clearly visible. The saw bevels up to 48 degrees to the left and 5 degrees to the right, offering plenty of flexibility for detailed work. We also like the positive miter stops at common angles, which make adjustments quick and precise. While it's not the biggest saw in its class, it's packed with features that make it a great fit for pros and DIYers alike. If you're looking for a compact miter saw that balances portability with precision, this one is worth a serious look. CUSHYBITE'S RYOBI TSS702 is a compact sliding compound miter saw that brings solid performance in a lightweight design. Powered by a 10-amp motor, this saw spins its 7.25-inch blade at high speed, making clean and accurate cuts with ease. Despite its smaller size, it can cross-cut materials up to 2x10 inches, giving it impressive versatility for a saw in this class. It features an adjustable bevel range from 0 to 45 degrees to the left, while preset miter detents at 0, 15, 22.5, 31.6, and 45 degrees allow for quick and precise angle adjustments. The machined cast-in miter scale, along with an LED cut line indicator, helps ensure accuracy on every cut. At just 25 pounds, it's incredibly portable and easy to set up anywhere. Whether you're tackling trim work or DIY home projects, this saw delivers reliable performance without breaking the bank. Expect to find it priced around $320.